Hey guys, it's Libby, and today I will be reviewing and styling 4 pairs of shoes from Cuccoo, because while your favorite cat socks are amazing, they are not appropriate for every event. I know, I'm sorry. So let's dive into some affordable options from Cuccoo. I do want to disclose that these shoes were sent to me for free, however the opinions I share are my own. So this first pair of boots I have are knee-high boots with chunky heels, and I love them so much because they're soft and comfortable, but also because they stay up. A lot of knee-high boots fall down your leg, but these do not because they're made of a beyond knit material that is soft, but also kind of tight and secure, but comfortable at the same time. This means that the boots don't fall down, which is so important. Additionally, there is a zipper that helps you get the boots on and off, which is amazing, but if you still struggle with boots like this, I recommend folding them down halfway over themselves, and it makes it so much easier to take them off, but also to put them back on. So this is the second pair of shoes that I received. They are also knee-high, however they don't have a heel and the toe is a bit more round. However, they are just as soft and secure on my leg as the last pair, so I am super duper happy about that. My only complaint is that these shoes only came in half sizes when I bought them, so they are a half size too big for me, but I put on a pair of fuzzy socks underneath and they fit good enough, so I'm not too mad. They're super comfortable, so I will definitely be wearing them a ton. They're definitely going to be a go-to pair for me, especially considering that they're machine washable, so I can get them as dirty as I want and then just toss them in the wash. These boots, though, are absolutely eye-catching and I am in love with them. The style and color combination make them wearable all year round with the right outfit, and I love that. Additionally, the fabric is a bit interesting because it looks like a fuzzy sweater almost, so it's super on trend and cute, and I love it. I do have a couple complaints though, the first one being that they're not super duper comfortable. I wore them for a few hours and my feet were definitely cramping up, so that wasn't great. And also the bottom of the shoe is very slick, so just be careful when you're walking. Don't wear them to a bowling alley, alright? But other than that, you can scuff them up, you'll be good. But this is the final pair of shoes that I received. They are a simple pair of wedges that I am absolutely obsessed with. So first off, the closed toe. To me, there is something that is so classy and classic about a closed toe, so I am just obsessed with it. Additionally, the color, I think that I really like the way this color looks with my skin tone. My only complaint though is the ankle strap. Don't get me wrong, I am obsessed with ankle straps. I live for ankle straps, but there is no sort of elastic or stretch in the strap or where it is like joined to the shoe, so it does feel a little bit tight when you walk. But other than that, I am still obsessed with them. But now let's move on to the styling portion of this video. So this first look I'm serving you is super secret ninja spy. However, if that's not the look you're going for, here is another one. Unfortunately, it's hard to tell that this top isn't black. It's an emerald green, okay? The camera didn't pick it up, but whatever. I wanted to show you each pair of shoes with a casual outfit, a professional outfit, and then also a fancy or sexy or cute or whatever type of outfit. Just to show you that each shoe can be worn in so many different ways. So right now I'm wearing the first pair of shoes that I showed you, the knee-high heeled boots. Super cute, and this is the professional outfit that I've got for you. And then let's take a look at the fancy outfit, the sexy outfit. I'm feeling myself, let's be honest. Let's be honest here, these boots do good things for my legs and for my confidence, okay? So I'm digging it. So I don't feel the need to narrate this entire video and tell you what every item I'm wearing is, because this video is just meant to give you some inspiration. It's kind of just a style book or a lookbook or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I'm not going to tell you about every single item I'm wearing, but if you do have questions about specific things or ways I'm styling things, feel free to ask in the comments or send me a DM on Instagram or something. I will do my best to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. But for now, just, enjoy the tunes. Watch the video. Woo. the last thing I want to leave you with is Cuccoo's brand statement, which is Cuccoo is a brand that specializes in turning every style you've ever owned or been eyeing into knit shoes. I think that kind of really sums up their points very well. So after you take a look at this last outfit here that I got for you, yep, take a look at them shoes, look at that dress, how cute, how cute. That's kind of all that I got for you. So beep, 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 back it up. That's all I got for you. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any requests for future videos, let me know. I would love to hear it. But that's all. So thank you guys for watching, and bye.